Hello friends, I am going to discuss one application of IoT, that is Internet of Things. Here what I have done is I have created two client applications and two server programs I have written, and I am here using Linux OS, that is Debian GNU Linux, and PostgreSQL database and ESP8266 microcontroller with LCD display. So the main purpose of my project is to display some database information on a real-time basis using ESP8266 microcontroller. The ESP8266 microcontroller will be used as a client, and it can be a handy tool by the database administrator. It can be carried anywhere, and it can be powered up, and it can be connected to the internet using Wi-Fi connectivity. For example, we can use a smartphone. We can use a smartphone as a hotspot, and the smartphone can be connected to the internet. And this ESP8266, this microcontroller can act as a station to connect to the internet using our mobile hotspot device. So this is exactly happening here in this demonstration. So I am connected to the internet. My laptop is connected to the internet using that hotspot device, and I'm recording the screen. You can see the screen here. It's running in Linux. So basically what you can see is that here one program is running continuously. That program is a software program. This is the client program that fetches database server information and sends the same to the cloud, access through the internet. We are fetching two attributes here, the database size and the number of records in a test table. I have created one table space here. You can see here I have created one table that is called test, and I have inserted few records, and I am sending the number of records as a parameter to the cloud. And parallelly, my ESP8266 controller, here you can see my ESP8266 controller. Using this controller, I am retrieving that information from the cloud on a real-time basis. As you can see here, the program here running consistently at a given time interval, say 1 second here. I'm running this, and I'm sending database side these two information to the cloud, and here that you can see the database. As you can see here, the number of records here in the table is now 170. So that information is being sent here to the cloud. That is table size here. I'm just referring it as table size as 170. And here again, let's insert some more rows. So I'm inserting some more rows. So now you can see the number of record counts as 178. So I'm sending the same as the parameter 178, and as you can see easily from the display of the ESP8266 device, here the number of records is shown as 178. So this ESP8266 is connected to a socket using micro USB cable, and it can be carried anywhere, and it can be an easy tool for the database administrator to monitor the activities of the remote server from anywhere in the world using the cloud services. Here I I have hosted the application that server programs in a remote cloud, and from there the server programs are running, and the client program from the database server. Here we can see the client program. It's nothing but a client program which is running in the database server, and it is sending continuously those information, that is the database size and the table size, to the remote cloud, and the remote cloud is storing that information, and my ESP8266 microcontroller client is retrieving that information from the cloud on a real-time basis, and that information is being displayed here on the display of the LCD device. So this is just one application that demonstrates the utility and usefulness of IoT in our daily life. Thank you.